tears and worries. As you move forward, remember these three things. Continue learning and being literate, even if you think you have already learned so much. Remember, literacy is a continuous process. Just because you're done with grade. It's a journey. You know the response of the student. It's not wrong. It is. And student, so bago magsabi sa bata, plus A. So let's go back to the question. If I share the same entire joint team and start to submit back my obligation, 1 plus B is equal to verify saying B plus 1, representing 1, John, and then B, the team. I would say in English, the team was joined by John. Correct?
I mean, yes, because even if the sentence form still be the same way as
Very good. So with that, literacy means you need to realize that the knowledge he has at the moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.